So there's 2 or 3 different kinds of applications that IT operations need support from service providers to deliver on demand. One is the kind of application that needs a very flexible bandwidth, so flexible capacity based on the user requirements. Could be external users, could be internal users for the organization. Another could be mission critical workload. So there's a mission critical workload that needs certain security or, again, secure bandwidth requirements from the network. And then they can also just have applications that they want to operate at the lowest cost. So they're looking for a low cost workload, commodity model, all of which suggest the flexibility of on demand and many of the ways in which you can, as a cloud provider, be able to help the enterprise service their workload. So in order to deliver so let's say we're using an SDN environment to support the transport for that workload, how does that bandwidth get calibrated to the right scale? How does the quality of service become applied? How does policy become applied to make sure those workloads we talked about earlier are addressed properly? You need an orchestration environment. It's the ability to orchestrate across different parts of the infrastructure, particularly the control environment of SDN or the network, but also different network functions. So this is very interesting. There's a lot of talk and a lot of focus here today, of course, on this. There are problems, challenges with it, because the space of the cloud has been taken up, particularly public cloud, by some large public cloud players. However, we're seeing things like local capabilities to be aware of the business needs, particularly things around regulatory or data sharing issues. We're seeing the ability to cater to the network, understand how to shape the network to meet the cloud circumstances, and then to harmonize with those kinds of orchestration and control environments that bridge really the enterprise network and the carrier network. So there's ways in which the carrier can use particular advantages to differentiate in the cloud.